Hello, today we'll be making a Chinese style dinner with pork ribs as well as pork loin. Remember to like and subscribe. Rinse 1 part of peanuts with 1 part of black beans under running water. Soak them for about half to 1 hour to soften. If you prefer a crunchy texture, you can skip this step. Peel and smash some garlics and onions. My index finger is injured, so pardon the awkward chopping. Thinly slice the scallions to be added to the soup. Add a few slices of ginger to remove the odor of the pork. Rinse some dried anchovies to enhance the flavor of the soup base. Now it's time to toss all of these into the pot to make some yummy soup. The beans should be soft after soaking, and you can easily remove the outer layers when you press them. Top it up with some more water and put it to boil. An hour before you want to serve the soup, blanch the meat in hot water and add it to the pot. Bring to boil on high heat, then turn it down to medium for the rest of the hour. After 1 hour, check that the meat is cooked and it will be ready to be served. Next up, let's prepare the ginger and scallion stir-fried pork. These two dishes can be prepared simultaneously with the waiting time in between. Diagonally cut the scallions. On the side, you can mince some garlic and cut the ginger into thin strips. Add some soy sauce, pop some pepper, and sesame oil. You will also want to add some corn flour to ensure that the meat does not toughen up when cooking. Another tip to keep the meat soft and juicy would be to give it a massage with the back of the chopper prior to seasoning. Let's get cooking! Add the ginger and garlic to the pot and stir fry till fragrant. When fragrant, toss in the scallions that you have sliced. Add in the seasoned meat. Drizzle some dark soy sauce for flavor and color. Just keep stirring until the meat is cooked. Add a splash of water if you would like to have more sauce. And there you have it!